and welcome back to another YouTube video. It's your girl Yelly. I need to start introducing myself more. It's your girl Yelly. I'm about to come to you with another YouTube video. Hey, now let me stop playing around and stop joking. Let's get right into this video. So, I am so excited because if you guys don't know by the title of this video, this is my April BoxyCharm box. Okay, for you guys who do not know what BoxyCharm is basically a makeup subscription that is $21 a month. BoxyCharms give you between 4 to 5 makeup products. It could be anything with palettes, lipsticks, anything for your eyebrows or anything. I don't know what's in this box, so I must be stupid for paying $21 a month for some shit that I don't even know what's going to be in. So this is how it is packaged. This is how it is packaged, you guys, and then on the back has your information. So let's cut this motherfucker up. So I'm just now opening the box. I don't even know what's in it. Okay, I don't even know what's in it. So when you first open a box, this is how it is packaged. This is my third box, and I'm so freaking excited. No funny shit. So this is my third box. Okay, so this is the first time I got this card. Is it a pamphlet? Let's go through it. So it says BoxyCharm on it. And this month's is eye candy. Okay, so this is eye candy, and I guess these are the products that I have. Yeah, is it only 3? Oh, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I have 5 products in this. Oh my god, I'm so fucking excited. Okay, so I have 5 products, and the way this is so freaking cute, because before it used to be just a regular card with whatever was on it. But yeah, so this month's theme is eye candy, and it has 5 amazing products in here. So let's get started. Oh my gosh, I see something from ColourPop. Crazy as I was going to order a palette from ColourPop, but what? No, I love ColourPop. So this is how it is packaged. I love the packaging so much. I'm going to pick any random thing and just talk about it. So the first item that I picked up was this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. This is $47. Do you see my face? 47 what? This is $47. This little thing costs more than the fucking the box. So this runs you 47 bucks, and this is what it is. This is crazy. This runs you $47. This is insane. So hopefully it does what it's supposed to. And for 47, well, I didn't pay $47 for it, which I am extremely happy I fucking didn't. Oh, next in my hand is the high definition liquid lipstick. Well, I don't even know what color it is. Let's find out what color I have today. So I just opened up that pack. This shit is huge, okay? This is what it looks like. This is fucking huge. This is 0.23 ounces, okay? Does it have a color? It's just a high definition liquid lipstick. It doesn't have a color or anything. It doesn't have a color, so I'm so sorry. I can't even tell you what the hell this is. And I guess I'm gonna just put it here, swatch it. I love the applicator. This color is freaking bomb. This is like an everyday color. This is what it is. This color is really amazing. This is the applicator. Sorry for not even showing you guys. This is the applicator, and it reminds me of my ColourPop concealer applicator because this is exactly how it is. This is huge. This is huge, like, and I'm pretty sure a little can go a long way. Lipstick runs you $24. Sorry if I keep looking down, guys, because I'm looking at this. So the liquid lipstick runs you 24 bucks. This shit is huge. Like, that shit is mad huge. So I have the Tarte Pro Glow highlighter, liquid highlighter, and this is $29. And this is 0.56 ounces. So this is what it is. I've never used a liquid highlighter before. So we're just gonna put it here, a little bit here. Just gonna put a little bit. And I'm going to rub it in so you guys can see. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh my god. I love April. And you know what's funny? My birthday's in April. My birthday just passed. I'm 23. I'm 23. This, oh my god. I think I'm gonna have so much fun with this fucking palette. Like, not palette, but this whole box. I think I'm gonna have fun with this whole entire box. Like, this is freaking amazing. This was 29 bucks. Next, I have the Brow Gal Tanya Crooks tinted brow gel with microfibers. And this is $22. Let's open it. This, oh, okay. So this shit is backwards because I'm thinking you get this much product and this is the brush. Why the hell is this the brush and this is the product? Don't mind my sister. She's really trying to get in here. So I have on my eyebrows today. Let's take them off. Go fibers. Let's see. I'm not sure exactly what that did. I guess when I clean it up with concealer or whatever, if I, well, I won't be doing that right now, but it probably look popping. So I can't wait to play with these items. Like I said before, that is $22. Now, last but not least, is my semi-precious. I think it's semi-precious. Semi-precious ColourPop eyeshadow palette. Yeah, so I think Boxy trying to give you full-size products. So yeah, I believe they do. They have no choice, right? To give you full-size products. That is crazy how some of these products really cost you like mad fucking money. So it came in this, and on the back, it should have the colors on this too. Like, it tells you what each one is, which is amazing, by the way. But it shows you here with the color. Okay, so I'm gonna open them up. Okay, so a lot of these colors I might have to play with another palette because these colors are very shimmery. So I'm just gonna go in a line. This beautiful color right here is Up and Autumn. Right next to it is Easy Go. Next to that one is Beam Me Up. I'm going to butcher this one up. Celestial. I think it is Celestial. This one is West Star, Bashful, Upon a Star, and The Game. Okay? So these are what the colors are. I'm going to do a few swatches right now. I'm going to take, this one looks so fucking amazing. I'm going to take Beam Me Up. Oh shit. I'm going to take Beam Me Up, and Beam Me Up is this pretty looking red one. Is that red? It's like a warm red with orange tones. Okay. This is what it looks like. My light is fucking retarded. But this is what it looks like. I'm going to take another color. I'm going to take Upon a Star. This is the color I'm taking. And these colors are pigmented. I cannot wait to play with these on my face. So yes, I officially have a ColourPop makeup palette. You know, eyeshadow palette, which I really freaking wanted. So that's dope as fuck. But thank you for watching my BoxyCharm box video. If you guys want to see anything else, you guys gotta let me know in the comment section below, or on my Instagram, which is in the beginning of this video, which is Jelly Gang Make Noise. Okay, so it's Jelly Gang Make Noise, and all my information is at the beginning of this video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will get back to you with another YouTube video. Bye guys. Mwah.